Naboard ako and ayaw ko na mag-review. So, today I'm going to share with you the top 3 lessons that I've learned ever since I started vlogging. So, una is do not be afraid to be judged. Huwag nyo na overthink yung mga opinions and side comments ng iba. Kasi lahat naman may masasabi, may it be positive or negative. Kung lalo nyo ino-overthink yan, mas lalo kayong walang magagawa and lalo nyo rin i-overthink na what if ganito ganyan, what if ganito ganyan. And at the end, wala kayong gagawin kasi takot kayong ma-judge ng ibang tao. The last one, and ito yung pinaka nag-stick sa akin and ito yung inaaral ko up until now. In every failure, there is a lesson to be learned. Pinaka nag-stick sa akin to kasi sa generation natin or siguro sa lahat naman, ang daming natatakot na mag-fail. What if mag-fail ako? What if ganito, ganyan? And sobrang ino-overthink nila yun to the point na hindi na nila nagagawa yung mga gusto nila o yung mga gusto nilang gawin. To the point that they never really try because of the fear of failing. Kumbaga, may plano silang mag-business. May plano silang ganito, ganyan. Pero hindi nila ginawa kasi nga takot sila na mag-fail. Paano natin malalaman kung mag-fail siya or magsasucceed kung hindi mo itatry? And ang daming may problema nito. And ang masasabi ko lang naman is gawin nyo. Like, act on it. So what if mag-fail ka? At least, in that failure, at least may naaral ka. And I'm sure, 100% sure na kada failure nyo or kada palpak na ginawa nyo is may lesson kayo na maaral. So, yun lang naman and magre-review na ulit ako.